What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's the 16th of July. We're going to take a look at the Aerodrome finance market this morning. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. The chart we're going to look at here will be Aerodrome finance slash United States dollar daily chart. Coinbase is where the price data is from. Let's jump right into it, guys. Welcome to the channel. Nice pump here we're getting in the markets. Very, very nice breakouts to the upside. We're seeing markets really ramp up and start to break out higher in price. Very good to see. So if we take a look here at Aerodrome had another nice big green day yesterday. Looks like we closed the day up yesterday. Another 15%. I mean, guys, very powerful here. We had a 9, a 12, and a 15%. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles in a row that were green, closing higher in price, allowing price to move to the upside. Big breakout, guys. We have two now higher highs. So as these markets sold off, we actually bottomed at the 0.5 fib level, rallied up here into a lower high printed on the 6th of July. We put in a higher low right here on the 8th of July. These are always key. If you can spot these, you can start to build a position. And if it does break out into higher highs, you'll have a slightly early entry. Of course, that is not financial advice, guys. So we have the higher low. Markets start to tick up here, find some resistance at the 61,275. Try to break out on the 12th of July, reverse, and then got the follow through on the 13th, and then boom, we really ramp up higher in price. So we have the lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, and into higher highs. Higher highs would have came in right here. And higher highs just came in again yesterday when we broke above the 79,340 level right here. So we are higher lows and higher highs. So we have a change in trend for Aerodrome back to the upside. Back to the upside, we have a change in trend also for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping. What are we looking for next here in Aerodrome finance? Well, we have a little bit of red today, so we'll see what happens with that. But the trend has begun back to the upside, so that's the way the trend is going, which is higher. We have some potential resistance that could come into play today, which would be at the 85 200 level. This old area here back in April was a floor of support, which got broken over here in June. It's getting tested again right here in the middle of July. So we'll see what happens today, but a lot of times you'll see price pull or trade up into an old area that used to be support, and it can be flipped into resistance for Aerodrome. So we'll see how that plays out. Some levels below the market to watch once again are the 79,340 right here. Price could pull back to there. Let's see here, 79,340. There looks to be a 79,630 in there. Big cluster of levels here. That's the next levels to watch as support. If we start to get back above the 8520, which is this pink line right here, keep your eyes on the 98,224 level, even the 106.42 up in here. So things are ramping up, guys, from the first higher high to where we're currently trading, 30% to the top candle wick, 40% move off the 0.5 fib level. Let's see here, about 24% move to the top the candle wick there. So anybody who bought those lows, it's working out for you. Very nice. I mentioned that I'd like to buy strength. One, I want to spot where the higher low potentially is. 2, when the markets are breaking out into higher highs, that's where I would be building a position. We have 2 sets of higher highs right in here around the 63, and then again at the 79,340, guys. So things are looking good here for Aerodrome. 98 and 106 is above the market. Keep your eyes on those. Below the market, 79,340. I have a new all-time high price target for Aerodrome Finance. We did speak about, I believe, in yesterday's video. 363.61 up in here. Very, very fun stuff. We'll see how we go here. We clearly have a change in trend, guys. These markets are pulling back today slightly. It's very normal to see that. So, yeah, let's see here. Let's go over to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Bitcoin pulling back to an area of 62,206.75. That's right here in yellow. Getting a higher low on the 12th, higher high 13th and 14th, and then another higher high. We took out the highs of the 1st of June. We have a change in trend for Bitcoin to the upside. Bitcoin is in a very large consolidation right here. We took out the lows. That ended up being the bottom. We double bottomed here. Or actually, we have this head and shoulders here that broke down and actually is reversing to the upside. So that is interesting. We have some upper targets here for Bitcoin. 80,000 all the way up to 96,626, all the way up to 130,000 as well. We're going to keep our eyes on those all-time highs right around 73,494 for Bitcoin. All right, guys, thanks for watching.